Oh, Eli loves me.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Back.
We're gonna just let you guys watch us put our Christmas tree up.
Yeah.
Because it's so exciting. Broke people problem. You gotta buy a reusable tree. Why are you gonna pay for a new one every year?
Oh my God, guys, look at that.
Oh.
Look at that tree. Whoa, I just flipped it over and landed. This is where you put the star. For Christmas, I'm gonna get a microphone for my wrestlers.
A microphone for his wrestlers.
And me.
And one for him. That's on his list anyway.
Oh.
I think this goes on after.
Look how many pieces there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces on the bottom.
Now how do
Yeah, look how it's counting this band. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, high five. We're gonna go on these cuatro parts.
I'll be through.
Oy! Oh, gosh.
Can I help? Star, guys, is gold and that. And look at my new gloves. Oh, my new
Awesome.
gloves. I just cut it. I cut it.
So this usually goes out on top of this, right?
Yeah, it goes on top. Oh, I'm getting stuck. I'm stuck. Outline. Oh, there's a plug right here.
And then find another branch from up here.
Oh, I found one. Man, you got mine.
Good job.
You saw that, kids? Cut.
Cut this one off. Ah!
Look how I'm gonna cut. I'm just gonna cut it right.
He's just gonna cut. Oh, be careful with your fingers. Okay. Good job.
I got
The best thing you could ever do in your life is to buy a tree that already has lights.
Yeah.
Right? Alright, Eli, help me put these down. Or you just want to help?
What?
Look what Eli just did. Wow.
Is it all of
Oh,
these?
look at our tree.
Is it all of these colors cool?
You know why it doesn't hurt me?
Why?
Because I'm a mom and nothing can hurt me.
Fire.
Oh. Well then. First my bubble.
Some Coke.
That's my ornament. Thanks, Sydney.
And I don't like it. It's weird. Because I don't like Coke. I mean, I do. I just don't like it because it looks like this.
It looks so delicious.
Yeah, it looks so delicious. I want to eat it.
I think we need to buy you a new one.
And look how high it is. Wait, yeah.
There. Ooh, yeah! Eli did it! Yay! It's so pretty!
You see that?
Oh gosh. OCD problems
Whoa.
kicking in.
I failed.
Someone is super excited.
That's me. No,
Just
I'm gonna
grab
put
one.
all the ornaments. Hey, you have to throw this one in the trash. Wait, guys. I need this. To put on this. Whoa.
Put that one over here, Eli.
I'm high in the sky.
There you go. That's
Look
good.
at this. Looks so cool.
Oh, you're so
I keep
excited for Christmas.
It's hard to see this one. It's so in the back. No. There's the gold one.
Looking pretty.
Looking good. Guys, look what our presents are going to be.
Or we're not going to have any presents.
Yeah. Oh, we have any presents? This is we're on the naughty list.
Oh, man. Are you on the naughty list?
I'm on this list. This is the last one.
Yep. You got the last one, dude.
Yay, we're done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and come next time. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate all the support you guys have given me, especially those of you who have been watching since day one. Also, a shout out to all you new viewers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There is a lot that goes into making videos, so if you want to contribute to the growth of the channel, you can make a donation of any amount to my CashApp or my PayPal. CashApp, PayPal. I'll also include the information in the description and in the comment section below. I also included my email address, so you can email me if you have any questions, recommendations, ideas, or even if you just want to give me some feedback. So again, thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome! Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you always watch till the end of the video because there's usually outtakes or something funny. I try to include something funny. Okay guys, bye!
Okay guys, bye.
He loves it. He loves it. Kiss him.
God, is my friend there? Isn't that cool? Cut, cut, cut.